Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. I'm just trying to get my life together. But today we are going to be playing OBBY, but you're a bird. Let's see how this game will turn out. So, I am a duck. Ooh, another duck. Nice. I won't be able to do the whole thing in this video, but I will try and do my best. So jump up here. I'm pretty sure I have never played this game. Okay, so we can fall in this game. Noted. I wanted to save this game to play it with you guys, but technically I can't play with you guys since you guys are not actually on the server, but you guys can watch me play. Okay, I got a little confused on that last one, but how am I supposed to go now? Over here. Wait a second, guys. It might take. Oh, okay. Oh god. Need a little assistance with my bird friends. The red one kind of looks like an angry bird. I don't know why, but it looks like an angry bird. Technically, we're angry birds doing this. Like little angry bird. I am getting angry. I can't make this jump. What the hell? Oh, God. Ciao. Oh. Wait a second, cut the cameras. Oh god, I'm not that good at editing. Yay, I finally did it. Sorry you guys had to wait for that, but I'm hoping that I don't fall because that was super hard to do. Do I go here? Like, listen, I'm just following my heart's desire. Ooh, okay. Okay, ooh. I'm just guessing. Okay, yeah, I think I went the right way. Like I said, guys, I have no clue what I'm doing, and I got to my first checkpoint. I'll probably only get to level 5 or like 4. That'll take a little bit of a while because, you know, I'm thinking these levels are gonna be hard. Oh, okay. Thank you, green mystical burb. I like to say burb instead of bird. Weird habit, but no! Aww. I fell down. Oh. No! Ugh, I need to stop falling down. What is wrong with me? Okay, I need to be careful on this part. Okay. Then you... I don't know why I'm making sound effects when I do this. I just like making sound effects. It's my natural habitat. You get it? Because birds have habitats, and I'm saying habitat, and yeah, you probably didn't get it. I'm literally not the best of telling jokes. Well, what I've seen and what I'm looking at is that these little torches tell you where to go, which is going to be really handy in like a few minutes. Yeah, I will not have enough time to do all of this. Oh, okay, I was about to say, it's a ladder here. Yep. Oh, I didn't even read this. Caution spikes. Yeah, I was already guessing that the spikes were going to be an obstacle. No. I'm so bad at wall jumps on my computer. No, this is going to be so hard unless I go and get my controller. But I'm not. I'm going to see if I can wall jump without my controller. Ooh, so close. Ah, yeah, this is gonna be quite hard for me. I might actually be spending like half of this video just trying to do this. Because that jump is hard to what I've been doing. How they do it so smoothly. I don't think smoothly is a word, but I'm gonna make it a word. 2024 January, what day is it today? January, January 27th of 2024. Smoothly. Yes, not a word, but I'm going to make it one. Quote by, not gonna say my name, but by Galaxy Corgi. Try to get as close to the edge as possible. Yes! Okay, it only took us 7 minutes. Please don't fall, I think. Oh no, that guy fell. Oh no. No! I'm gonna have to do that again. Oh. I'm probably gonna have to end this video at level 3. Let's see. Listen guys, I'm never this actual calm when I'm actually playing video games. Let's just say that I'm a rage quitter. You know those people? You probably do. You probably have like a friend like that. Like, you have at least... I've at least met like a couple of rage quitters in my life. I mean, who hasn't? Nobody's perfect. Remember my sister, crushing my hopes and dreams. Come on, yay! I don't know why I'm saying yay, yeah. So close. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to end this video at number, like somewhere in between number 3, cause I'm looking at how long this video is, and it's already like almost 9 minutes long, and when I started this level it was like 5. It was 5 minutes. I've only... Okay. Yes. Come on, I need to make that jump over here. That was my TV. Oh my god. Didn't know it was gonna play all of a sudden. I didn't even click a single button on my TV remote. I really hope there's a checkpoint somewhere here. Yeah, but I don't know because I've never played this game. I keep on saying that, you probably are like, oh, she must have played this game, but I actually really haven't. Oh my god, that was a spike that I didn't even notice. Well, I actually did notice this lying to you guys, and I do not like lying to my viewers. And thank you so much for getting me to almost. I'm pretty sure I'm at 73 subscribers. If I check right now, I probably am. And also guys, if you want me to play more of this flying bird game, be sure to tell me in the comments if you want to see more of me play this game. Because if you do want me to play the game, I will gladly finish it off and help you guys if you are stuck on a level. Okay, so I think, oh, spike at the wall of that pit. Okay, oh my god. I was just looking around and then I saw that. Okay. I thought I was about to jump over there. Ooh, we haven't used any ladders in a while. Oh. Okay, over here maybe? Yeah. I'm just looking to see where the torches are. Okay, I think we will be able to make it to level 5. Something to do with this old... Yep, I knew it. I saw like a little... this like tunnel when I walked in. And I wanted to know where... Oh. Over here then, which way do I go? No! I'm not even... Okay. Might as well just reset. Okay. For some reason it wouldn't let me reset. And if you guys want to be friends with me on Roblox, my username is so that's how you go. Like, my username is, let me show you guys real quick. My username is Galaxy Star if you want to be friends with me. Yeah, and I hope I get some requests in a couple of weeks. Because I would love to maybe chat with you guys on Roblox. Because I would always be really happy if I could talk to you guys. And like, I'm just so excited for this live stream. And while we're doing the live stream, I will be having a sleepover with my bestie. And I think, yeah, we're going to be doing a live. I'm going to be doing a live with my bestie in February. And obviously she's going to cover her face because we are not going to show our identities unless we get my YouTube channel to 100 subscribers before February, which I know won't be happening. It's saying over here, but I'm not seeing anything. Let me zoom out. Oh, whoa. Whoa, should I just... What do you mean? What does it mean? I didn't see anything there. Wait, am I just dumb and I didn't see it? Oh my god. I'm literally trying to do this and I've done this like 4 times now. And, well, what my max... Yeah, I most likely, guys, will be ending it once I get to level 5. So, like I said, if you want to see me doing more of that, I can happily do that. It's saying over here, but I'm not seeing anything. Should I just jump? Oh, I'm just following the screen, man. I don't know what I'm doing. Ah! Then why did it point over here? Signs are so confusing sometimes. Like, that's supposed to show you where you are when like you're doing stuff. But sometimes I think a sign's job is just to confuse you. It's ridiculous. Oh my god. Where do I go over here? Okay, that's all for this. If you want to see more, obviously type in the chat. I love you all so much. I love you guys so much. Also, thank you for, I'm pretty sure it's 73 subscribers again. And I hope I can do this sometime. Oh yeah, there will be a 6-part videos coming out of me doing a game called Unpacking. Alright guys, that's enough from me. Goodbye, have a great day.